this island I found a way to see the beauty in passing day. Flowers that impale my love, moments that some only hear of.
So we're out on the highway, coming up to the entrance into Kapalua area. It's up ahead here just a bit. There's a sign that says Kapalua to the left. I always love these rows of cooked pine trees here.
The Golf Academy and the clubhouse up on the right.
And a really ginormous speed bump.
There's a zip lining company on the golf course. And here's the Ritz.
Loving under a waterfall, hearing the owl's midnight call, whispers from the ocean shell, whispers that you and I can tell. And you keep on, bring these moments to my mind. For you keep on an island, one of a kind, one of a kind.
So where we're staying is in the Bay Villas, and they're sort of down the slope over to the right a little bit.
Down by the water. There's the ridge up there.
Yeah, the Ridge Villa's up on the hill. So this is the entrance to the Montage Hotel, but it's also the entrance to the Bay Villas. The Montage is straight ahead, and the Bay Villas are to the right here. The Bay Villas are a gated community, which I don't know that that's really necessary, but it's the way it is.
Here's the gate code.
Yay. So we never did turn the fan down.
We never did turn the air conditioning down because it is warm here.
In this land I've found a way to feel the beauty of passing days. Rainbows, jewels of a misty crown, craters covered with a silken gown, stars that always shone so bright, scattered throughout the lovely night, where true love befell my soul, true love that came upon a grassy knoll.
There, we've arrived.
Bring these moments to my mind, for you are an island, one of a kind, one of a kind, loving